Superstar Rajnikant on Sunday discharged from Apollo Hospital here, where he was admitted on Friday with severe fluctuations in blood pressure. The hospital said the actor was discharged after an improvement in his medical condition. The actor later left for Chennai. It said in a statement that he was admitted with severe hypertension and exhaustion. He was kept under close medical supervision and treated by a team of doctors. His blood pressure has been stabilized and he is feeling much better. In view of his improved medical condition, he is being discharged from the hospital today, it said. In view of his post-transplant status, labile hypertension and age, the doctors have advised him complete bed rest for 1 week with regular monitoring of blood pressure. He was also advised to undertake minimal physical activity and to avoid stress. He has also been counseled to avoid any activity that increases the risk of contracting COVID-19, the hospital added. Earlier, the hospital in the medical bulletin released Sunday morning revealed that there was nothing alarming in the test reports of Rajnikant. The actor was shooting for Tamil film in Hyderabad for the last 10 days. A couple of people on the film sets had tested positive for COVID-19. Rajnikant was tested on December 22nd for COVID but was negative. Since then, he had isolated himself and was being monitored closely. Though he did not have any symptoms of COVID-19, his blood pressure showed severe fluctuations and needed further evaluations, for which he was admitted to the hospital.